Una-una po, I would like to grab this opportunity, makapagpasalamat po unang-una sa taas. Ayan po. Tandaan ninyo according to Book of Isaiah, chapter 60, verse 22. Nakalagay po doon, when the time is right, He will make it happen. So, my fellow graduates, this is our time. Time po natin to. Enjoy the time. Enjoy the day. And pangalawa, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa ating sponsors. Sa mga nandito po, ladies and gentlemen, kung wala po sila, wala din po tayo dito. Especially to Ako Bicol Party List, to Tecton Global Technologies Foundation Incorporated, to our dear beloved trainers, staff, thank you very much po. Kasi sila yung nagsilbing essential tool para po makamit natin yung pangarap natin ngayon. Simula po ngayon. And third, pasalamat po tayo, wala man sila ngayon, sa ating mga magulang, sa ating mga kapatid, and especially sa ating pamilya, sa asawa, sa anak, isabay na rin po natin yung extended family kay jowa, kay boyfriend, kay girlfriend. Pakisabay na lang po pag-uwi ninyo mamaya. And my dear graduates, according to a phrase po, sabi doon, give fish to a man and he will have food to eat for a day. Yan ang sinasabi ko doon. Then, teach him how to fish and he will have to eat for a lifetime. So kung intindihin po natin, napakasimple po ng meaning empowerment. Empowerment para sa ating lahat, para maging technically professional po tayo. Kasi ngayon pa lang po, ISMAO NC1, hydraulic equipment operation, wheel loader NC2, and hydraulic excavator po. Na-train po tayo, well-equipped na po tayo, ready na po tayo to face the real world. Na-produce po tayong competent and at the same time na-produce po tayong productive member ng ating society. Ready na po tayo to compete, hindi lang to compete, to work locally and globally po. Huwag na pong kakalimutan. And at the same time, reminder po, my dear fellow graduate, especially pagdating sa ISMAO. Remember, my dear ISMAOer, you are trained to become, not to become a grinder and not to become a chipping hammer. You are trained to become a plate welder and a pipe welder. And sa akin pong mga kasamahan sa heavy equipment operation, tandaan po tabi, merong cliche saying, yung lumang kasabihan na kapag heavy equipment operator daw, ang nandyan mga wrangler. Alam niyo yung term na wrangler? Mga gurangda. So, patunayan natin, baguhin natin yung kaisipan. Kasi, tandaan ninyo po, we're not getting older. Mas maganda, pasensya na, mas maganda sa heavy equipment operation. We are not getting older, we are becoming a legend. Tama? Yung iba mythical na. And don't forget, my dear graduates, ako po ang sinishare ko sa inyo, sinasabi ko po sa inyo, this is based on my experience. Bakit? Tandaan ninyo po, wag na wag ninyong kakalimutan, ang pinaka-main goal natin sa buhay tatlo. Unang-una, to exist. Pangalawa, yung opportunity. Pag sinabing exist or existence, live life to the fullest. And pagdating naman po sa opportunity, binigyan na po tayo ng